Welcome back to Triplerservice. Today's video may look like a simple service clip, but it actually reveals something every Pulsar 150 owner should know. For years, riders blame mileage, tuning, or old engines, while the real culprit quietly sits inside the carburetor, collecting dirt, dust, and fuel residue. So stay with me till the end, because not only are we restoring the carburetor today, I'm also showing you a bonus clip of a brake pad that almost turned into a disaster. Let's roll! You're watching this Pulsar 150 carburetor go through a deep cleaning after years of use. I always say carburetors are just like lungs. You don't notice the problem immediately, but day by day the breathing gets weaker. The bike starts struggling, fuel doesn't burn right, throttle feels lazy, and the owner wonders what's wrong with the engine. But here's the truth. Most performance issues in older bikes begin with the carburetor, not the engine. The moment we opened this one, the story was obvious. Deposits, clogged passages, and a jet that could barely pass air. No matter how much you twist the throttle, if the carburetor isn't breathing, the bike simply won't respond. In today's clip, you'll see how that hidden dirt slowly turns into rough idling and poor mileage. And as we washed everything clean, you'll notice how the carb slowly transforms from a blocked metal box to a clean, shiny airflow channel that finally lets the engine breathe again. A clean carburetor doesn't just improve pickup, it literally changes the character of the bike. Smoother idling, better cold starts, crisp throttle response, and of course, the one thing everyone wants, better fuel efficiency. And the best part? You don't have to be a mechanic to understand this. Just watching the dirt coming out is enough to know how much difference it makes. Once everything was cleaned, dried, and put back together, you could already feel the bike recovering its lost power. It's almost like giving the engine a fresh pair of lungs. And now, here's the bonus part. While servicing this bike, we found something that made even me step back for a moment. This brake pad, what you're seeing right now, was one of the worst I've seen in months. Riding with this could have damaged the disc, overheated the brake, or even failed during emergency braking. Most riders wait until the brakes start making noise, but by the time they do, the pad is already grinding metal to metal. In this clip, you'll see exactly why checking brake pads regularly is more important than polishing your bike. A fresh set of pads instantly restore stopping power, and trust me, brakes are not the part you want to neglect. So that wraps up today's service session. A carburetor that finally breathes, a brake system that's safe again, and a Pulsar 150 that's ready for many more miles. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Triplerservice. Have questions about your own bike? Drop them in the comments. I answer every one. Thanks for watching. Ride safe, ride smart, and stay tuned for more real-world service stories.